You don't aspire to greatness by being known as a quitter. You don't get to the top of your field by being a person who quits when things get difficult. You don't ever accomplish all the dreams that you've had since the time you were a little kid when you're facing a challenge and you say, you know what, this isn't worth the fight. You will never be successful if you are a person who is willing to quit.
Don't be afraid to fail. And don't be surprised, as upsetting and it is and dispiriting as it is, it helps you more than anything else in your life. There is glory in trying, and oftentimes your glory is not denied, it is delayed. If you are challenged, don't worry about it, learn from it, and say, I'm going to be stronger because of it, and I'm built to succeed eventually.
Make a statement in this world. You are worth the world. You are part of this world. You can achieve greatness. When you want something as much as you want to breathe, you will overcome the pain. And you will achieve greatness.
Yeah, you will struggle, no way around it. You will fall many times, but who's counting? If you want to make it to the top, then there will be times you get stressed and things you get depressed over. But let me tell you something. Steven Spielberg was rejected from film school 3 times, but he kept going. The television execs fired Oprah, but she kept going. Critics told Beyonce that she couldn't sing. She went through depression, but she kept going.
When you get inspired, realize that person is made up of the same whatever it is as you. And the only difference is that person is the one who has fought just that little harder. You can dream of these things, but understand you can also achieve them. The moments that take your breath away are the ones that count. You need the downs to make the ups. You need the ups to create the downs. You need to feel the opposites to truly understand the full reality of the life you are living. I don't care how young or old you are, age is a number and nothing more, and should be determined by experience, by what you have done and tested, what you have dwelled in, how many times you have pushed your limits and broken down. I don't care if you've been beaten to the floor, if your legs are too tired to lift that weight. Break through that barrier and create new ones for you. Get back up and live life. When there's a will, there's a way. When you truly need something, you can find a way, and you stop at nothing to reach it.